Welcome to this lesson, where we will explore the topic of childhood through engaging conversations and stories. Throughout the session, you'll learn how to discuss memories and experiences from your early years. We'll introduce key vocabulary and examine word families related to childhood, helping you express yourself more clearly and confidently. By the end of the lesson, you'll be equipped with the language tools needed to share your own stories and understand others as they talk about growing up.
In the conversation between Sarah and Ahmed, they share memories from their childhood, focusing on the toys they loved and their experiences at school. Sarah fondly recalls her favorite doll, describing how she used to play with it for hours. Ahmed talks about his collection of toy cars and the excitement he felt racing them with friends. Both express a mix of nostalgia and amusement as they reflect on their feelings about school, mentioning subjects they enjoyed and moments that made them nervous. Through their dialogue, they use phrases like "I used to" and "when I was little," demonstrating effective ways to talk about the past. This exchange highlights how personal stories and emotions can be conveyed when describing earlier experiences.
In the heart of a quiet village, childhood unfolded with simple pleasures and cherished routines. Each morning began with the laughter of siblings, as we raced barefoot across dew-kissed fields. Family meals were a time of togetherness, where stories and smiles were shared around a modest table. The days were filled with playful adventures, from climbing trees to helping elders with daily chores. Joy was found in the smallest moments, a gentle breeze, the scent of fresh bread, or the warmth of a loving embrace. Happiness was not measured by possessions, but by the bonds we nurtured and the memories we created. These village days taught us that true contentment lies in appreciating the ordinary wonders of life.
In this section, we present the key vocabulary from the lesson, carefully explaining the meaning of each word. By understanding these terms, learners can more easily grasp the main concepts discussed. To reinforce retention, it is recommended to use each word in a sentence, allowing for practical application and deeper comprehension. This approach not only strengthens memory, but also builds confidence in using new language. As you become familiar with these words, you will find it easier to follow along with the rest of the lesson.
Word families are groups of related words that share a common root, allowing learners to see how words change form and meaning. By exploring word families, individuals can recognize patterns in vocabulary, making it easier to understand and remember new words. For example, the root act leads to words like action, active, and actor, each serving a different grammatical function. Understanding these connections helps learners use words more accurately in various contexts. This approach not only expands vocabulary, but also deepens comprehension of how language works.
In summary, this lesson has covered the essential concepts and strategies for enhancing your English language abilities. By practicing regularly and applying what you've learned, you can steadily build your confidence and proficiency. Remember, progress comes with persistence and dedication. Keep exploring new vocabulary, refining your grammar, and engaging in conversations whenever possible. Your commitment to learning will open up new opportunities and help you achieve your goals. Continue striving to improve, and you'll see the results over time.